Okay, this is the solution for task 3, and here we've got 0.5 kilograms of iron. So the first thing to do is to convert that to grams of iron. That gives you 500 grams. Then we convert that to moles. 500 divided by 56, which equals 8.93 moles of iron. We then look at the equation. We'll notice that 2 aluminiums make 2 Fe in the equation. In other words, it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So therefore, moles of aluminium will be 8.93 moles. And then convert that to mass. 8.93 times 27, which is the atomic mass of aluminium, which equals 241 grams. Happy days.